Should we take Ray? It's going up actually. It's actually going up. Look at it. It's going up. But it is not a full candle. Let me see. Can it break? Can it break 5469? Can it get closer to the tip? What's even the 5489? Oh, it looks like it's going up. Maybe we will take this one. 59. I don't like that. It's quite low. But it already has the second parabolic SAR. It looks like it's going up. Let's go with it. It looks like it's going up. The volatility is high. I can only try to pick this and see. Let's see. Let's wait and see. 49.85. 49.85. Let's see. Can it go? It looks like we are in the tray. Can it go? Can it go? Can it go? If it's going up. Oh, it has gone. It has gone. Yeah. What did we buy? We bought 49 point what? 0.85. That's not bad. Let's go with it and see how much we will pick. It's actually looking like it will work. Yeah, let's take it. Let's take the screenshot of Ray, and then we go and do this inside of Convert. You know, any of these big coins, you need to go and do it in Convert, guys. Okay, so we're gonna go to limit, and we are picking Ray. Yes, we're picking Ray, and then we are taking it to USDT. Yeah, okay. Let's put in the max. Okay, we're currently in profit right now. It's going up. Let's put that in 5.8. Let's see whether that will give us some profit. 50.98, not bad. But I wanted to get to, let's see, can I get to 5.9? Let's see. This one is a lot. Let's make it 5.881. 81. Okay, I think I like that. 5.8. Let me try 5.82. Yeah, I think I'm cool with this. I think I am cool with this. Just $1.04 is okay. It's all right. It's all right. Yes. So we have gotten Ray inside of the. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think I have taken. Have I taken the screenshot? Let me just be sure. One more time. I take it. Oh, can you see? It's going up, guys. It is going up. We are taking 5. What was it? What was the price we wanted to sell it as? Just so that I can be sure and know what I'm talking about. And anytime I go to check it, I will see we have 582. Okay. 582 is where we are going. Yes. Ray, what's going on with Ray? What's going on with Ray? Ray is looking like it's going up. I'm seeing it. I'm feeling it. We are going to 5.8. Is that not what we're going to? Yeah, 5.5. It's looking like it's going up. Ray is good, guys. 5.7. I think we're going to 5.8. Oh my God, look at it. We're close. We're close, guys. We are close. Maybe this will also go on the. Let's see. How much did we put in it? I want to be sure. What is it supposed to execute as? Oh, let's see. Ray is supposed to get to 5.82. Okay. 5.82. We're not exactly so close, but we are close. We are still close, guys. We are close. Oh my God, look at it. 5.7. Oh, 5.8. 5.823. Oh my God. 5.823. 5.860. Oh my God. Look at it. Ray has executed. Yeah, guys. Yes, guys. Look at it. It should have executed by now. Come on. Yes, I'm just waiting for it. I don't know why it hasn't shown me yet. What's going on? Maybe it hasn't gotten to my turn yet. Let me go and see what's going on. Maybe it's just taking its time. Let me go and check. Ray should have executed by now. 5.82. It got to 5.82 now. It got to 5.82. Are we still there? We're still there. Well, we just wait. I mean, it will get to our turn. You know, when you're on the queue now, it depends on your turn in the queue, right? So it's supposed to get to $1.582, right? So we're gonna just wait. I mean, it will get to our turn as long as it goes beyond it. So it's at 5.818 right now. So I'm just waiting for it. Let's see whether it would execute. I'm just hoping it will just push up a bit more. 5.82. It should get to 5.8. Oh, it's gone down a bit. Okay, no problem. It will get to our turn. Just a bit, just a little bitty time more, guys. Oh, it touched it. Where did it get to? Let me see where it got to. Let me see where it got to before it decided to retract. It got to 5808. No. It got to, no, it actually got to, this is where you'll see it. It got to 559. What am I saying? Oh, sorry. Where is it now? It should have executed. If it gets to 59, I'm sure it would execute. But at this point, I'm just waiting for it, waiting for it, waiting for it, waiting for it, waiting for it. Let's see. We don't know whether it's gotten to our turn yet. It will go push up. It will push up a little bit more. Let's see whether it has executed. No, it hasn't. It hasn't. So we're still on the queue. Maybe I should just go and cash out. Maybe I should just cash out. Let me cash out or let me wait. Oh, 5822. I expect now it should get to flat. But let me just wait for it to get to 59. If it gets to 59, at least it wouldn't say it hasn't gone beyond. It's 583, 5824. Yeah, let's go see. It's just going up and down. Can you see that? It's actually in the mode. It's just going up and down. Come on. I just need a final push, guys. Just a final push. Let's just see this happen. I'm gonna wait for it. I know that this is so close, guys. This is so close. It is here. Come on, just push up to 59. Once you push up to 59, there's no question about this matter. Don't mind me, guys. I hope you're enjoying my comedy. Hope you're enjoying my comedy. Let's just go to 584. If it goes to 584, then I think we'll be comfortable. 583, 5828, come on, see. Can you see 585? Yes, 586. Let it just go to 59. Once it goes to 59, I'm sure that there's no room to argue. Oh my God, I'm just going to wait for this. I mean, it just wants to establish that price. Once it establishes the price and it can get to 59, that's all I need for it to get to 59. Just get to 59, guys. Get to 59. Yes, 588. Come on. 588, 586. There is no reason why you shouldn't have executed by now, guy. Yes. Yes, it has. Awesome. Yes, it has executed, guys. Ray has also executed. That's it. We bought Ray at what amount, guys? We bought Ray at $1.54. Okay. And then we bought it at $49.85. Okay. Let's go check it. How much did we get? How much did we get, guys? Are you seeing that all our trades are executing? Are you seeing that, guys? Okay. So if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and click and see what exactly is going on. Oh, okay. No, Ray is here. This is Ray. No, that's not Ray. This is Ray. This is Ray. Where are we in Ray? Ray gave us 5104, right? And we bought it 49.85. Okay, so let's go and do the calculations, guys. Let's do the calculations. Okay, so the calculations, what am I doing? Okay, that's it. Calculations of Ray. All right, so we are just gonna quickly check on this. That is 51.04 minus 49.85. That's $1.46. Wow, this is beautiful, guys. $1.46 is what we just made on our Ray, our Ray trade. And that is what, let me calculate. Let me just take my screenshot on this. Righty. Okay. So we will calculate that. That's 49. Oh, what am I saying? No. I put the wrong thing. Sorry. It's supposed to be 85. I was saying there was something wrong. Sorry, guys. It's 49.85. That's $1.19. $1. I was like, how did it happen? $1.19, guys. $1.19. Don't get that mixed up. All right. So we will cancel that. 49.85 times, let's say 2.4. Yeah, 2.4%. 2.4%. Saying 2.4%. We are on 2.4% profit with Ray. All right, 2.4% profit with Ray. Do you just love this, guys? Are you excited by just seeing trades execute? I love it. I love it, guys. I love it.